Fine, let me go with the 14th problem here. Right, the simplified value of minus 1 by 3 to the power of 6, that divided by minus 1 divided by 3 to the power of 5. So that divided by minus 1 by 27, that is again divided by minus 1 by 9. So here let me change to the same base, right? So the given problem is minus 1 by 3 to the power of 6 minus 1 by 3 to the power of 5, that divided by minus 1 by 27, that divided by minus 1 by 9, right? So minus here, numerator and denominator, it will be cancelled. Here also the same thing will happen. This will become, right, so 1 by 3 to the power of 6, that 1 by 3 to the power of 5, that divided by, now 27 I can rewrite as 3 into 3 into 3, which means 3 to the power of 3, right? 3 is a 9 and 3 is a 27. So I can write 3 to the power of 3, that divided by 1 by 3 to the power of 2, right? As the base is same here, let me solve one by one. So this particular term, let me solve 1 by 3, base is same, 1 by 3, right? A to the power of m, that divided by a to the power of n, which can rewrite a to the power of m minus n, right? So base is same here, so automatically what happens, 6 minus 5, that divided by, right? So 1 by 3, this again we can rewrite, right? 1 by 3 to the power of 3, that divided by 1 by 3 to the power of 2, right? So now again this will become 1 by 3 to the power of 3 minus 2. So here 1 by 3 to the power of 6 minus 5, which is going to be 1 by 3, that divided by 1 by 3, right? Now 1 by 3, right? So again 1 minus 1 will come, right? So which is nothing but 1 by 3 to the power of 0, which is going to be 1. So option B is the right one, right? So a to the power of 0 is equal to 1, right? That not an apt idea.